a world full of notifications, likes, and endless scrolling, we are more connected than ever. But are we really connected? We spend hours online, watching, chatting, posting, yet sometimes the people right beside us feel miles away. What if we pause? What if we unplugged, even just for a moment? When we disconnect from our screens, we reconnect with what truly matters: our family, our friends, and ourselves. Let's put our phones down.
Look up.
Listen.
Talk.
Feel.